We call her Mimi because she has this cute little meow. So she's great with dogs, great with cats. She doesn't get along so well with our male cat right now, but they're learning to get along.
Yeah.
They do sniffs now. But with the dog, she does sniffs, she rubs on her. She just loves her to pieces. She's very calm most of the time. She does like to play a little bit. She loves laps, loves to sit on laps and watch TV. She also likes to, there you go, good girl. She also likes to to explore. She can walk on the leash.
Can she really?
She can. She can walk on a leash. We've been taking her outside on the leash the last couple of days. She loves it. She loves to explore and just check it out and then come back in and take a little nap on the lap.